Hey guys, today we're going to talk about friction fire, and I don't mean the bow drill. For this experiment, you're going to need two boards. 2x4, 1x4. I got one that's a little bit longer than the other. And you're going to use this to roll back and forth to create your friction. You're going to need a cotton ball. I unfolded this one or unrolled it, and we're going to take some wood ash and put it in here. Then you're going to need your fire tinder to put your cotton into once it starts smoking and start your fire. You're going to need your water to put out your fire. And you're going to need some ash from a hardwood like hickory, which is in here. So you're going to start with the ash, and you're going to sprinkle that on your cotton ball. Then you're going to roll your cotton ball up pretty tight. Or as tight as you can get it anyway. After you sprinkle some ashes in there and wrapped it up, then you want to compress it on the board. Real slow at first until it gets real tight and real easy to go back and forth. Then gradually keep putting pressure on it. All right, now that you got that smoking, I don't know if you can see it. Put it inside your tinder bundle. Pot. That's how you start a fire, by friction. Alright guys, I hope y'all found something useful out of that. That was the first time that I've ever done it. I saw it on the internet a little while back and I was like, hey, let's give that a try. It is very easy. It's not going to wear you out as much as the bow drill will. But it's not really effective in the woods unless you can make perfect 2x4s or whatever, so go figure. But it's an alternative way to start a friction fire, and as you've seen, it does work. Hey, thanks for watching this episode of Speir Outdoors. Thank you everybody for subscribing, and if you like it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button below, hit the bell so you get notified next time I upload a video, and we'll see you next time.